Hey guys, welcome back to the ranch. Today we are changing air filter on our 2019 Chevy Traverse. This should work for 2018, 2019, 2020, just whatever second generation body style is. So I went ahead and purchased myself a K&N rewashable air filter. That is the number right here of it. It's like 50 bucks, whatever. But it is cheaper in the long run than just buying regular air filters. Now this is your air filter box housing here. And it is held on by 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 back here. You can see it, Phillips head screws. So we are going to go ahead and unscrew those, and I'm going to set you up and show you how to change this filter. Alright guys, you can see the screws are off, so you want to just gently kind of lift your top of the filter portion back, mindful of the mass airflow sensor, just a whole hosing here. Just lift it back and then you can lift the filter out. Let me position you guys again so I can do that. When you're pulling your filter out, you want to keep it as level as possible so that not all dirt goes in. This filter isn't too bad, but it's been 2 years. And now what you also want to do is, if you have a shop vac or an air hose or something, you want to vacuum this box out, because the way the air flows is it comes through here and it'll go that way into the engine. So you just don't want that stuff clogging up the new filter right away. So let me go grab a shop vac and quickly vacuum that out. Alright, that's cleaned out. I got my new K&N filter here. Careful, they are oily. And it's basically just out with the old and in with the new. Sits in here nicely. And now, reverse process. Put in the screws again. And you're good to go. And there you have it, guys. That's how you change your engine air filter. 2019 Chevy Traverse. Super simple. You can do it yourself. You can get standard air filters at O'Reilly's, Walmart, AutoZone, Napa, Amazon, eBay, whatever your favorite place is to get auto parts from, and it saves you some money. Now, this filter is going to be cleaned again in a year by me and oiled, put back in. I like to change my filters every year. Some say every 20,000 miles, whatever. It depends how you drive. We're in a desert environment here, so very dusty. So I like to change it a little more often because, you know, it's cheap, helps your engine breathe, all that good stuff. Anyway, I hope this video helped you guys understand a little more how to do some more maintenance on your 2019 Chevy Traverse. If you got any questions, criticisms, comments, you know, down below. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Subscribe to our channel if you like it. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot.